Hey Ratchet, Charlie Brown says he hears you in the Carolinas, man. Hello Ratchet, Charlie Brown with the wave, trying to get the Ratchet, breaker.
Hey Charlie Brown, you're making a lot of noise down here. Audio.
Hey Roger on the Central California. Well, you coming in good around the Outer Banks of North Carolina, no doubt about it. Charlie Brown with the wave, I'm back out.
Oh man, we got him with 141 in the gas speed. It's got him being in a Moseville down. Ooh, look here, 141 in a hand across the land. Got down. Oh, the man in the Carolinas. No give back out there around the Carolinas. Nice guy getting down.
Hey Ratchet, Charlie Brown trying one more time. Hello Ratchet. Around Northern Cal, Charlie Brown on the Outer Banks of the Carolinas, getting on down.
Hey Charlie Brown, hit your line off a Ratchet, 141 in the gas now. Charlie Brown, 141. Right back. 27 waving.
Hey Roger on that 141, you a mean man coming in here cleaning out my radio while I'm trying to get the Ratchet. Hello 141, hello nice guy. Hello Ratchet 27, Charlie Brown, East Coast of North Carolina, back out.
I'm just trying to take all the mother people in. Charlie Brown, nice guy, gone.
Terror, you nice guy, you a bad man, I'm telling you. You a bad man over here around the Outer Banks of the Carolinas. Nice guy, Salt Lake City, Charlie Brown, Outer Banks of North Carolina, back out. Hey Ratchet, it's rough and tough over here, but I hear you out there, man. You was coming in strong a while ago, but it's turning. Hello, Ratchet 27, Charlie Brown, back out.
Hello, Charlie Brown. Boy, we finally got the top long distance. Hello, Charlie Brown.
Hey, Roger on that, Ratchet. Yeah, that 141's plugging my ears right now, man, but I did make the contact, and I did hear you. Hello, Ratchet 27, Northern Cal, Charlie Brown, Outer Banks of the Carolinas. With that Thursday wave, I'm getting on down, Ratchet. Charlie Brown's back out. Bye, Ratchet. Hey, Ratchet, Charlie Brown said bye.
Hey, Charlie.